Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and it's Friday, which means it's time for another update of my Make It March charity event where I am crafting every day during March to raise money for the Motor Neurone Disease Association. So please do check out the links to see how you can support this worthy charity. Enjoy the time lapse. And so as another crafty week draws to a close, thank you so much for your support. Please do remember to give generously if you can. You can do so via the link in the description or using the QR code displayed on screen here. As always, I would like to say a huge thanks to my generous patrons, John, Dylan, Maisie, and in the inner circle, Katerina Siplova. You too can support my channel from as little as £2.50 per month. So that's all from me for today. Please do consider to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty!